Hello, hi, and welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of my brother's keeper. uFakazile noNqubeko, they had an encounter, a conversation, amagama amabili amathathu. In that encounter conversation, which started very good, it ended up ngegama likabani likaNomusa, where uNqubeko feels sorry for uNomusa. Feeling sorry for uNomusa iyenzani inyathela amakhona kabani kaFakazile. uFakazile is like kanjani, but hayi the magistrate called ngathi manje sekawuza iberipepe akakho right, athi nix akuna mental health of any kind of any sort, lo muntu uyazenzisa. Like athi it's clear ukuthi kahle kahle kumele ahlale ejele ngoba she's not only a danger to herself, she's a danger to society. Athi hayi wena, how would you feel ukuthi umntanakho aye esibhedlele, that would kill umama kaNomusa, and besides uNomusa umfazi wami. Hawu mfazi njani ngoba umlahlile. Okay, ayi imcasule vele uNomusa uFakazile kube young F off asazi ukuthi ke kuzoyenzakalani, because uFakazile uye wabona ukuthi athi uthi inyawo zakhe ayoxaxela ubani ukhatha naye azama ukuba sesayidini likaNomusa bamcrashe very fast, very fast. Bese ke ukhatha ashare indaba kaThoba nalo lo amtshela ukuthi hayi phela if bayathandana, there's nothing you guys are going to do, because at the end of the day they are going to pursue the relationship. The only thing is you guys could manage the situation now and allow whatever. If umlilo wamaphepha uzophela. Okay, akashonga kanjalo, sengiyimi ngifake spice sharp. And then kube indaba kabani kawena uThoba noSibusiso. Hayi ubaba kaSibusiso atshela uSibusiso wethu get off ukuthi you had an opportunity to love lo girl, wahluleka, wena wayenza i-direction oyifunayo. Right now manje kumele kugijinyiswe wena soyamthanda, wena usakhoni. Athi hayi shemkhohlwa, asidlali leyo game yakho, uyi-one nje kuleyo camp. Ngathi yes wena donga likabavuso. But ke uNdumiso asked ukuthi they separate, and then lo wathi no, it's not going to happen, it can't happen. Question is, what is going to be the last fate? Kuzoyenzakalani ngalabantu laba? uDidi ke ahambe alanda umntanakhe athi haka back matorekisi my child, got the child, and then atshela uSibusiso ukuthi momela ke because wena unemali eningi futhi you can take me to court. Manje sekwenzakalani, bahambisana ema-court. Yophelela kanjani indaba sema-court asazi, esiyazi ukuthi uma advocate umtshele kahle ukuthi mamela ke you cannot just say ukuthi wena you are privileged simply because you've got money. There are a lot of needs that pertain to the well-being and upbringing of the child, and at this point uDidi, whether working not working, he is definitely meeting those needs. Ayi bagugane ke masekuphele everything leya lapha, bagugane ke ubani lo girl lo ukhathazile nendoda yakhe, bagugane bayephi, baye kumshengu bayomtshela ukuthi phela sishaya uthwang. Yo umshengu athi shem nizomshaya uthwang ngingekho. uMamqhunu asafile akho mshado ozoyenzeka. So mina manje yazibuza ukuthi uMamqhunu manje semele avuke emathuneni, what is this guy saying? Like uMamqhunu manje kumele avuswe, bathi ke uMamqhunu angakavuki, angathi good morning, akunamshado ozoyenzakala. Bamtshela ukuthi noma uMamqhunu phela uyibe kasiphusha sirenew ama-vows athi ngabe noma bathi nenzani, angekho umkami lento angeke iziyenzeke. Guys, umshengu is bleeding, and unfortunately he's bleeding on everyone because everybody is feeling the wrath. At this point I don't think ukuthi there'll be peace. I think even this wedding, even if they attempt it, uzobabonisa ama-flames. The wedding will not be as it's supposed to be. Uyobabonisa ama-flames nje amanye strong gabi. It's not gonna happen.